What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Teresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series. Today, I want to talk to you about how to advertise like an entrepreneur. Knowing how to capture the attention of your target customers is fundamental to your business. An advertisement informs, but a good and effective advertisement moves people to buy. How do you make advertisements like that? You need to know the interests of your customers. If you know the very things that will catch their attention, then you have what you need. For example, a seller of a beauty supplement product knows that many of his target customers are concerned with beauty. As such, the seller will focus on advertising the benefits of his products to beautification. Next, you must decide on the most effective advertisement channel. What are advertisement channels? These are your means of delivering your sales pitch to your target customers. In an online business setting, advertisement channels commonly include article and video submission sites, as well as social media sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. How do you decide on which channels to use? That all depends on what channels your target customers are mostly exposed to. For example, if your target customers are internet savvy people who are most likely exposed to Facebook all the time, using Facebook as one of your advertisement channels would be a good idea. It's important to note that it's not necessary to utilize all channels. You only need to utilize those that are necessary for your business strategy. Let's say you use Facebook to reach customers. Facebook really maximizes potential for providing support to online merchants. Facebook offers unique and comprehensive advertisement tools that allow you to target specific niches such as age groups, interest groups, and gender groups, and so on. However, if you use Twitter to reach your customers, Twitter is like a real-time news feed site that spurts out new information by the minute. This makes a great way to communicate with your customers and your target customers. If your target customers are likely to be Twitter users, then using Twitter would be a good way to reach your customers. You should also apply SEO techniques to boost your website's visibility. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a technique used by online merchants to increase traffic, specifically visits and views to their website. It makes a website more visible by making the website have a better chance of appearing on top search results of search engines such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. There are many SEO techniques, and it's advisable to use all of them if you can. But this is very, very complicated stuff. So it's better to hire someone to do this for you when you and your budget are ready. That ends today's episode, and I hope it has helped you reevaluate your advertisement strategy. Make sure you dial into your target customers before starting an advertising campaign. It can be very costly with limited return on investment. Join me on the next episode where we will discuss how to market like an entrepreneur. Make sure you post your thoughts or questions in the comments. Until next time, remember, you are fiscally fabulous and you are worth it.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.